motherfucker.
Easy up and go hop in his field. We gon' make him give it up if he tryna make sales. And my top post him up, get him sent to the mail. Got him put up in the house and see him got peeled. Like, take it to a 5-star restaurant. Baby says she had the fact that I'm so nonchalant. Morgen in the background like I'm young. Get me on the back street when you hit the block. If I pull up right now, she get sexual. How about I put you on the mat and we start wrestling? Brought the liquor cause lil' baby wanna try the bow. You want the 1942 or we do Henny, baby. Tell me when you stop working and we can see if maybe you get off early. I'ma beat it to the breast chirping. I'm just saying how I feel, girl, I'm not flirting. Like, baby said that I don't, I really don't care. I'm like, hey baby, how about you come over here? If you get in the way, I'm going to drill. Better than all of my chicks. I busted so bad, this made me go crazy. Number one drive pick was my little baby. Can we take a little time, or you in a rush? Haven't seen her in a while, I'm making her blush. Strapped up, I put on my cleats. Check the stats, I've been up the score. I've been up my door that, stop looking at me. If I give her back, she's still getting more. When I fight, know how to feel. When I pull up, baby, just tell me everything that you wanted to tell. She's the best girl I had in a while. If you say you love me, I hope you do mean it. She's so sassy, I like her demeanor. Baby, tell me what you want, we can make an agreement. No, ma'am, I gotta see ya. If you don't got plans, we can hang out this weekend. Maybe we can slow dance, tell me your feelings. When I play slow jams, baby, start geeking. Baby, I was just mad, I didn't even mean it. If I pull up right now, she get sexual. How about I put you on the mat and we start wrestling? Brought the liquor cause the baby wanna drive boat. You want the 1942 or we do Henny, baby. Tell me when you stop working and we can see if maybe you get off early. I'ma beat it to the breast chirping. I'm just saying how I feel, girl, I'm not flirting. Like, baby said that I don't, I really don't care. I'm like, hey baby, how about you come over here? If you get
Are you stressing over my boy?
I'm going to drill, better than all of my chicks. I busted so bad, this made me go crazy. Number one drive pick was my little baby. Can we take a little time, or you in a rush? Haven't seen her in a while, I'm making her blush.
Yeah. After hours of Il Molino, a Soto, just talking women and vino. The contract like 91 Dan Marino. I swear this guy Michael Rapino's boosting my ego. Overly focused is far from the time to rest now. Debates growing about who they think is the best now. Took a while, got the jokers out of the deck now. I'm holding all the cards and niggas wanna play chess now. I hear you talking, say it twice so I know you meant it. Fuck it, I don't even tend it, they should know who's in it. I'm authentic, real name, no gimmicks, no game, no scrimmage. I ain't playing with you niggas at all. My classmates, they went on to be chartered accountants or work with their parents. But thinking back on how they treated me, my high school reunion might be worth an appearance. Make everybody have to go through security clearance. Tables turn, bridges burn, you live and learn. With the ink I could murder, word of my nigga Irv. Yeah, I swear shit that started clicking, dog. You know it's real when you are who you think you are. You know it's real when you are who you think you are.
I had Benzes for you had braces. The all black Maybach
back, but I'm not a racist. Inside's whiter than Katy Perry's faces. Yellow diamonds in my Jesus. I just might learn to speak Mandarin. Japanese for the yen that I'm handling. International hoe, that's my handle. My Saint chunk on, light a candle. El Gran Santo on the mantle. In case y'all didn't know, I speak Spanish too. Shout out the worldwide west. Everywhere we go, we leave a worldwide mess. Yes, still rock live familiar. Says a lot about you if you're not feeling us. The homie said, Hov, it ain't many of us. I told him less is more, niggas, plenty of us.
Hey, brother. That was wild. Put that shit back in the Jeep, nigga, cause